Hello and welcome to the 66th episode of Business Litigation TV, the internet's most passionate show about business litigation. I'm your host, Jesse David Eisenberg, and I am a New York City business litigation attorney. Now, today I want to talk about freelancing. All right, if you own a business, you run a business, odds are at some point you're going to hire a freelancer, especially if you're getting a little big. So there's something you need to know, especially in New York. We have this thing called freelancing isn't free. Okay, there are laws in place to protect freelancers. Now, it's pretty simple, but as a business litigation attorney, I've run into numerous issues because people just don't want to follow the basics. Okay, so I'm just going to go over the basics with you. Number one, when you hire a freelancer, you need a written contract. Okay, that's pretty simple. Just state how long they're going to work, what they're going to make, what they're going to do. Very simple basics. Again, I still recommend you hire a contract attorney or some attorney to draft this contract just so you're protected. But you definitely need to have a written contract no matter what. Number two, timely and full payment. When it is time and they're done, or whatever the terms of the contract say, pay them. And pay them on time. Don't wait 6 months just because you feel like it. Pay them. Number three, they are protected from retaliation. Okay? For whatever reason, you don't want to pay them, something like that. They're going after you for their money. Well, then you start bad-mouthing them to all, your peers, and suddenly they can't find work. All right? Don't do that. They're protected. All right? Now, things you have to watch out for if you don't do those three things. One, maybe not keep doing numbers. Just be aware that there's statutory damages involved. They get a specific sum of money if you don't do this. You can end up paying them double what you owe them. And there's a few others, like they can be entitled to attorney's fees, they can stop you from using their product, things like that. Also, if you do this often, which is more than once, or maybe at least 2-3 times, this is called a pattern of violations. And now you're going to end up being sued by the city of New York, and you can get a fine of up to $25,000. Okay? So, please, just follow these simple rules. It's very, very simple. It is, okay? All right? I have been on both ends of this. Especially, I have represented someone who he was owed, it was like $7,000 or something like that. Okay? That's what he says he's owed. The other guy said, the guy didn't work all the hours he said he did, something along those lines. He wasn't invited to certain meetings. And I had to explain to him, and this worked. I got my client a nice little settlement. Everybody was happy. I mean, not everybody's happy. My guy was happy. Because I explained, you don't have a contract. You violated this Freelance Isn't Free Act. Okay? You could end up paying him double anyways, so it's not worth the fight. And the guy agreed with me, and he paid. So just be aware, because these people are protected. The freelancers are protected. Okay? But it's very simple to stay in line and not run afoul of this law. Okay, so again, make a written contract, pay on time in full, all right, and don't retaliate against them. All right? Now, if you have any other questions about freelancing or anything else to do with your business, please feel free to call me, 718-966-0877, or email me at jesse@jdelaw.nyc. Now, as always, guys, thank you for listening, and have a great day.